Hi there, Brandi here. Today I'm gonna take you on my lock care routine, my wash routine, using some of the Pattern products, and I'm gonna show you how I style my locks when I'm done as well. So for today, I'm gonna be using the Pattern Conditioner, Intensive Conditioner for tight textures, as well as their clarifying shampoo when I wash it. And then when I get out of the shower, I'm gonna use this situation. So basically you take this little part off right here and it self-warms and you have your hot oil treatment. So it's just gonna be a whole like self-care situation going on in this room. All right, I'm out of the shower, which means I'm gonna start my hot oil treatment by Pattern. Oh yeah, take it off, and then it's gonna start heating up on its own. It's getting warm. Oh my God, that's amazing. And I'm gonna use their argan oil hair serum. Like, get in there, get in there. So I'm gonna be using this lusciousness, oh my gosh. Now, I usually just kind of rub it in my palm a little bit and put it near the part that I'm gonna be locking, which is right here. And then this is what we call interlocking. So you take your hair, you pull it through right there, and then you pull it through again in another part, and then you twist, just like that. And you use the remaining product that's on your hand to just really get it in there through the rest of the hair. Ooh, yeah, just like that. And you want your hair to be really secure near your scalp, so that way it doesn't thin near the top, and then it gets your lock, it's larger and larger at the bottom. So you wanna just really secure it. And that's how I lock my hair. Along with the styling cream, one of the things that I do is use their jojoba oil as well to get into my locks as I'm twisting. And I love the way it makes my hair feel. All right, so my hair is dry. So first, what I love to use is Pattern's argan oil right here. And so I just put a little bit of that in my hand right there. And it's their hair serum. And so I just rub it through my hair. With my locks, I don't really act so precious about it, where, you know, I'm trying to keep these perfect parts. I actually like for there to be different dimensions and them not to be so perfect. So I don't get really weird about rubbing it through my scalp and then messing up parts and all that kind of stuff. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with it being having a mind of its own. One of my favorite styles that I like to do is this style where I put it all up on top of my head and I start to build. And I'm gonna put it at the very, very, very front of my head. I may have some just kind of like dangling in the back. It's not supposed to be perfect. So we're gonna put it to the front of my head. And what I do, because I don't have a rubber band big enough, I actually take my hair, like this part right here, and I wrap it around and take another part of my hair and I just tie it. Even though this is kind of a vibe right here too. It is, it's a vibe, but that's not what we're doing. And it's gonna be messy, like that's the goal. Then I take one of my rubber bands and I secure it near maybe like this part of it, like near that part. Just one time, like that. And then I'm not done. I'm not done. We're gonna take it higher. Like Sly and the Family Stone said, we're gonna take you higher. I know. And right here, I'm just gonna put it like maybe like right there, because I want it to go too high, because I gotta stay in the camera frame. And then I just kind of, like that. It's a bop. It's a bop, right? So then I just kind of play with it a bit. You can make it as messy as you want. What I like to do is use Pattern's edge control, like on the parts that are kind of like whimsical. So I'll just like kind of like take like my sides right here, just kind of like let them do whatever they're gonna do. So that's it. This is how I implement the Pattern products into my wash day and also into my self-care. That's it.